भानी देवी गोयल सरस्वती विद्यानगर कॉलेज झांसी से के तिवारी फिजिक्स। क्योंकि पिछले टर्म पर हमने वेरिएशन ऑफ जी एट दी हाइट एंड डेप्थ के बारे में डिस्कसिंग किया था, तो डेप्थ के बारे में डेरिवेशन डिराइव किया था। जी डैश इज इक्वल जी 1 माइनस डी अपॉन आर ई के बारे में डिस्कसिंग करने जा रहे हैं। इसके लिए पहला पॉइंट है, at the surface of the earth d equal 0 then g dash equal g. Second point, if d is equal re then g dash equal 0, thus value of acceleration due to gravity at the center of earth will be 0. Third point है, graph between d and g dash is a straight line as shown in figure. इसके बाद है not if the value of acceleration due to gravity at the surface of the earth is g, then from h is very small than re, then g dash is equal g 1 minus 2h upon re, or g minus g dash upon g is equal to h upon re. Equation number. At h depth below the surface of the earth, g dash is equal g 1 minus h upon re, or g minus g dash upon g is equal h upon re. It means that if g decreases y amount x% in going through depth h below the surface of the earth, then its value will reduce by 2x% at same height h above the surface of the earth. थ्रीमा पॉइंट है, effect of shape of the earth on g. The earth is not perfectly spherical in shape. It is planted at the holes and vulgate at the equator, so the equatorial radius is greater than polar radius by about 21 km. On the surface of the earth, g is equal gme upon r square. Equation number 1. Therefore, by equation first, g proportional 1 upon r square, because g capital M suffix g are constant, since r equatorial is greater than r polar, so g equatorial small than g polar. Thus value of g is minimum at the equator and maximum at the poles. The variation of g between the poles and the equator is about 0.52 पर। इसके बाद चौथा पॉइंट है आपका effect of latitude or axial rotation of the earth. The earth rotates about in axis joining the north and south poles from west to east with a constant velocity omega is equal 7.3 into 10 to the power minus 5 radian per second. It is time period of revolution is 24 hours is equal 1 day due to the earth rotation about its axis of rotation. Each body on the earth's surface move in the circular path. As a result of it, a body experiences centrifugal force due to non-inertial frame. Let a body of mass small m is placed at a point P having its latitude lambda. Let mass and radius of the earth are me and re respectively. With its center at O, the earth is rotating about its own axis ns with angular velocity omega. Therefore, body of the earth also rotates with the same angular velocity that of the earth in a circular path of radius r as shown in figure. If the absence of rotation, acceleration due to gravitational is g, then gravitational force acting on the body will be F is equal mg in the direction PQ. The earth is a non-inertial frame. Due to rotation, the centrifugal force F is acting on it, whose magnitude is Fc. Fc is equal mr omega square, and the direction opposite to PC. Component of force Fc along the line PO is equal Fc cos lambda in the direction OP vector. Equation number 2. Thus, net force acting towards the center of the earth along the direction Fc is equal F minus Fc cos lambda is equal mg minus m r omega square cos lambda. Thus, net acceleration of gravity due to the complete effect of rotation and acceleration due to gravity at point P is g dash. Then, according to Newton's second law of motion, mg dash is equal mg minus mr omega square cos lambda. यहाँ पर m से m कैंसिल होगा, therefore g dash is equal g minus r omega square cos lambda. Equation number 3. Y figure B R upon RE is equal cos lambda. Therefore, इसमें R बराबर कैपिटल RE R suffix E cos lambda. Then by equation third we get G dash is equal G minus RE omega square cos lambda is equal G ME upon R square minus RE omega square cos square lambda. From equation 4, it is clear. First point, G dash small than G thus acceleration due to gravity decreases due to rotation. Second point, in going from equator to poles lambda increase, कोष्टक में cos lambda decreases, therefore the value of G increases. At poles lambda is equal 90 then cos lambda 0, therefore G dash is equal G poles maximum. On equator lambda equal 0, then cos lambda 1, then G dash is equal G equator minus RE omega square minimum, where G pole is equal GME upon RE square 4, G equator बराबर GME बटे RE square equator. 3 point, if the earth stop rotating about its own axis, then omega equal 0, then from equation 4, G dash on earth placed on the earth by the increases y amount RE omega square cos lambda, where omega is present angular velocity. Increases on poles is equal RE omega square cos square 90 is equal 0 minimum, i.e. there is no effect. Increases in equator is equal RE omega square cos square 0 is equal RE omega square maximum. 4 point, if angular velocity of the earth increases, then the value of G dash will decrease at each place on the earth surface except at poles. If R E omega square is equal G और ओमेगा इज इक्वल रूट जी अपॉन आर ई, आई ई टी इज इक्वल टू पाई अंडर रूट आर ई अपॉन जी इज इक्वल 84 minutes, then g dash will be 0 on equator. Therefore, if the length of the day becomes 84 minutes due to increase in the angular velocity of the earth, then gravitational force on bodies on the earth surface will becomes 0. Thank you. इसके बाद आपसे कल डिस्कशन किया जाएगा.